The WATS manual inspection module allows you to digitize your existing paper-based or spreadsheet-based manual inspection routines and provide them in a format that is accessible through your web browser. The way that this works is that you go to the control panel in WATS, find a manual inspection menu here, and you select from this virtual folder hierarchy what inspection routine it is that you would like to configure. So here you can specify relationships based on part numbers, for example, serial numbers or revisions, or geographical sites. Once you've configured these, you press here to enter the design editor. And in this editor you can build up the sequences of tests. You can find the step types available here on the right hand side, and you can drag and drop these over here. So if you look at the numerical limit test here, measure voltage, that is the given name for it. You can specify here the low limit, high limit, if you would like to specify the units for this test, and some other things such as a PDF reference, so that you can have operator guiding within the user interface itself. When you're done designing this, you can simply press release here, and this sequence will be available from the operator interface. So you can access this from the welcome screen in WATS. Now if I enter a random part number and random serial number and the part number 100, 200, that was the part number we configured this sequence to belong to. I'll select apply here. So note that you don't have to enter this by the keyboard. You can attach a barcode scanner as well. So there's no serial number history for this unit. It hasn't been tested before. It doesn't exist here. But I can still select manual inspection over here to open up this specific user interface. So I can enter some header information here. Say demo test 1, 2, 3. I'll start the test, and WATS will now guide me through the 5 configured steps that you can see on the left side here. I can add comments to each step. I can upload an image either from a file or from the web camera of the PC. So for these booleans, I'll just press pass, pass. This one is a numerical limit test. I'll select 4 as a measured value. Confirm, this one is passed, this one is passed as well. And eventually I'll submit the report. So now you can see that it comes up here in the serial number history for this unit. I can also go into the analytics interface of WATS here, and under test report, make a query for this part number 100, 200. And down here, the top result, you can see this is the serial number that we just entered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can click on this to open up the report itself. And if we look here, comment, this is demo test 1, 2, 3, and these are the step results that we had.